Good morning, students. In continuation of chemical properties of alkynes, the last chemical property oxidation. Yesterday we saw electrophilic addition reactions, nucleophilic addition reactions, periodical addition reactions of alkynes. Okay, polymerization of alkynes also. Today we discuss about the oxidation of alkynes. Okay, what you get by the oxidation of alkynes? By the oxidation of alkynes. Okay, see here. You take CH triple bond CH triple bond CH. Okay, add here K or potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. Any other oxidizing agent. First we will get here CH, here OH, here OH, here OH. That means this is reacts with water and atmospheric oxygen. Water and atmospheric oxygen. Okay, here this part also gives OH. If any molecule, if carbon molecule has more than one same function group, that carbon unstable, that always lose water molecule. This also lose water molecule. This also lose water molecule. What do you get here? H C double bond to OH. 2 moles of formic acid. We get here 2 moles of formic acid. And here I am taking one more example. CH3 C triple bond H add H2O plus nascent oxygen. Carbon oxygen within the bracket we called as nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen means newly generated oxygen. We called as nascent oxygen. Okay, what happens here? CH3 C like the same OH add along with this C H like this OH. What happens? It loses water molecule. It also loses water molecule and forms here CH3 COOH. Okay, here HCOOH. These are the oxidation products of alkynes. Okay, this is the one of the important reaction, oxidation. Okay, just I forgot one test. Oxidation of alkenes. Okay, I gave reaction, but I forgot one thing here. CH2 double bond CH2. This is alkene. Add water and oxygen in presence of alkaline KMnO4. What is the meaning of alkaline KMnO4? Potassium permanganate, which is dissolved in basic solution. Potassium permanganate, which is dissolved in basic solution. Okay, we called as alkaline KMnO4. This alkaline KMnO4 also called as Bayes reagent. Alkaline KMnO4 also called as Bayes reagent. Okay, this is in pink color. Bayes reagent is pink color. When you add this pink color alkaline solution to alkene, okay, it converts into glycol and colorless solution. Okay, what it indicates? Bayes reagent pink in color in reactants. Okay, it is colorless in rocks. What happens here? Okay, here alkene disappears the pink color of Bayes reagent. Disappears pink color of, okay, here Bayes reagent. That means this alkaline came for a Bayes reagent used for the identification of alkenes. Identification of alkenes. Used for the identification of alkenes. So simply it is called as Bayes test. This is we called as Bayes test. Okay, I explained everything, but I forgot Bayes test and Bayes reagent. Okay, this is about the oxidation of alkynes, and here this is the alkyne structure. Next, in continuation, we'll move into the one more topic, alkadienes. Okay, this is not present in PU examination, but it is present. It is useful for the NEET examination or JEE or CET examination. This is not present. Alkadienes not present in our PU syllabus. Okay, but present in NEET examination. Alkadienes. What is the meaning of alkadiene? What is the meaning of alkadiene? The alkene which has okay, the alkene which has two double bonds. The alkene which has two double bonds simply called as alkadienes. Okay, the alkene which has two double bonds. Okay, we call as alkadienes. See here, one double bond, here second double bond. We call as alkadienes. These alkadienes are classified into three types. Based on the position of double bonds, alkadienes are classified into three types. Okay, one is conjugated alkadienes. This is the first one, conjugated alkadienes, and second one is cumulated alkadienes. And third one is isolated alkadienes. Three types of alkadienes. Okay, here these are different only positions of double bonds. See, definition of conjugated alkadienes. First, I want to explain system. Okay, this is the system present in conjugated alkadienes. That means one double bond is separated with two double bonds are separated with one single bond. Two double bonds are separated with one single bond. Okay, such dienes we call conjugated dienes. This is also called alternative double bonds. Example for these alternative double bonds. Okay, here I am taking some examples. CH2 double bond, CH double bond, CH2. Okay, here this is the CH2. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. At first position, at third position, double bonds are present. So we call 1,3-butadiene. Okay, and one more thing, alkadienes. These conjugated alkadienes are also called 1,3-alkadienes. These are also called 1,3-alkadienes. Here I am taking one more example. CH2 double bond, CH2 double bond, CH2. CH3. Here also first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. First carbon and second carbon, first carbon and third carbon have two double bonds. This is we call 1,3-pentadiene. This is also one of the conjugated alkadiene. Then in continuation, we'll see the cumulated alkadienes means 1,2 alkadienes also called cumulated alkadienes. 1,2 alkadienes we call as cumulated alkadienes. 1,2 means, okay, here I am giving, okay, system. This is the system 1. Okay, 2 double bonds are presented, first carbon and second carbon. Okay, this is we called cumulated alkadienes. This system is also called alene system. This system is also called alene system. Example for this alene system: CH2 double bond CH2. This is we called as alene. Okay, our IUPAC name of this one 1, 2. See, 1, 2, 3. First position and second position double bonds are present. So 1, 2 propadiene. 1, 2 propadiene. The IUPAC name of this one is 1, 2 propadiene. CH2 double bond C double bond CH CH3. This is also one of the alene molecule, alene system. 1, 2 butadiene. 1, 2 butadiene. 1, 2 alkadienes we called as cumulated alkadienes. 1, 3 alkadienes we called as conjugated alkadienes. Next in continuation, we'll see the, okay, what is the cumulated? If 2 double bonds are present on adjacent carbon atom, we called as cumulated alkadienes. Okay, if 2 double bonds are separated with more than one single bond, if 2 double bonds are separated with more than one single bond, such dienes we call as isolated alkadienes. Here we see the system. See this system or this system. Okay, in this system 2 double bonds are separated with 2 single bonds. Here 2 double bonds are separated with 3 single bonds. Okay, 1, 4 or 1, 5 dienes we called as isolated alkadienes. We called isolated alkadienes. Example for this. Okay, I am writing one example. CH, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Okay, this is we called 1, 4 pentadienes. 1, 4 pentadiene. 1, 4 pentadiene is one of the best example for the isolated alkadienes. Here I am taking one more CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 5. Okay, hexadiene. 1, 5 hexadiene. These are the important 3 alkadienes. What is the first one? Conjugated alkadienes. Okay, second one cumulated alkadienes, and third one isolated alkadienes. These are the types of dienes. In continuation, we'll see one of the important reaction, one of the important compound alkadiene is 1,3-butadiene. Okay, we'll see how we prepare the 1,3-butadiene and properties, some important properties of 1,3-butadiene. Butadiene. What is the structure of 1,3-butadiene? CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. It is called 1,3-butadiene. How we prepare the 1,3-butadiene? By using 3 important methods. Okay, here we prepare the 1,3-butadiene. By using three important methods, we'll prepare 1,3-butadiene. First method, dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration of alcohols. Here I am taking one alcohol. Here CH2OH, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. This we call 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First position and fourth position, which groups are there. So 1, 4, butane diol. 1, 4, butane diol. This is reacts with concentrate sulfuric acid at 170 degrees centigrade temperature. At 170 degrees centigrade temperature, dehydration reaction takes place. Dehydration means loss of water. Water means H2O. Here OH and here H. Here OH and here H. One H2O and second H2O. It loses 2 moles of water molecule and forms 1,3-butadiene. And forms 1,3-butadiene. This is the first reaction, dehydration of alcohols. Okay, dehalogenation. Okay, dehalogenation of tetrahalides. Dehalogenation of tetrahalides also will get the here 1,3-butadiene. Here I am taking CH2Cl, CHCl, CHCl, CH2Cl. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tetrachloro. Okay, tetrachlorobutane. Tetrachlorobutane. It is reacts with 2 moles of zinc. It is reacts with 2 moles of zinc. What happened? 2 moles of zinc. 1 mole zinc reacts with Cl2 and forms zinc chloride. Second mole zinc reacts with Cl2 and forms zinc chloride. That means 2 moles of zinc chloride was released and forms, okay, here 1,3-butadiene. And forms 1,3-butadiene. This is the one more important reaction, dehalogenation. Next, dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation. What is the meaning of dehydrohalogenation? Removal of hydrogen and halogen we called as dehydrohalogenation. Removal of hydrogen and halogen we called as dehydrohalogenation. This will occur in the presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Here I am taking, okay, here 1, 4. Okay, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 now. And taking dihalides. 1, 4, dichlorobutane. It is reacts with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. It is reacts with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. What happens here? Okay, here lose HCl molecule. HCl. It loses 2 moles of hydrochloric acid molecule. Removal of hydrochloric acid molecule we called as dehydrohalogenation. Then we get here 1,3-butadiene. By using these 3 methods, one is dehydration, second one is dehalogenation, third one is dehydrohalogenation. By using 3 methods, one is dehydration, dehalogenation, dehydrohalogenation. Okay, we prepared alcohol that is 1,3-butadiene. Okay, in continuation, we will see that some of the chemical properties of 1,3-butadiene. Some of the chemical properties of 1,3-butadiene. here 1,3-butadiene chemical properties. Chemical properties. Especially this molecule involves in addition reaction. Okay, I will give some of addition reactions. We'll see in continuation. Addition with hydrogen, addition with halogen, addition with hydrochloric acid, addition with water, and one more important reaction is the Diels-Alder reaction. So we'll see only 5 important chemical properties of 1,3-butadiene. First one, hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. That means you take the 1,3-butadiene, add hydrogen, Okay, here we will get 3 types of compounds. 1 mole hydrogen consumes 1 mole hydrogen consumes 2 mole hydrogen consumes. Okay, if 2 mole hydrogen consumes here, 1 hydrogen added here, 1 hydrogen added here, 1 hydrogen added here, 1 hydrogen added here. Finally, we get CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. We get the butane. If hydrogen added at first carbon and at last carbon, give the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen added at first carbon and last carbon, it will break. It also will break. Okay, here we have the electron, here we have the electron, here we have the electron, here we have the electron. This electron reacts with hydrogen, this electron reacts with hydrogen. This electron, first carbon, 1 more electron, okay, fourth carbon, 1 more electron, forms the double bond here in between second carbon and third carbon. Okay, hydrogen is added here at first position and fourth position, so we call that one 1,4 addition. By the 1,4 addition, what you will get? CH2, here CH2 becomes a CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. This is we called 2-butene. Okay, 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. Just add hydrogen. Which addition? 1,4 addition. By the 1,4 addition, we get here 2-butene. If you add hydrogen at first position and second position, this bond as usual, what we get? First position and second position, what we call 1,2 addition. 1,2 addition. By the 1,2 addition, what we get? CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2. 1-butene. All are hydrogenations, but by the 1,4 addition we get 2-butene. By the 1,2 addition we get 1-butene. Okay, by the addition of 2 hydrogen molecules we get the butene. We get the here butene. Okay, this is called hydrogenation. Then we will see halogenation. Addition of halogen we called as halogenation. Same reaction. Okay, same type of reactions are observed here. CH2 double bond, CH double bond, CH2. Add Br2. Okay, if I add 2 moles, 1 mole, 1,4 addition, 1,2 addition. 2 moles Br2. Here 1 mole Br. Here also 1 mole Br. 1,4 addition. Okay, 1,2 addition. 1,4 addition, then by the 1,2 addition. What do we get here? See, CH2, 1,4 addition of CH2Br, CH double bond CH, CH2Br. 1,2 addition CH2Br, CHBr, CH double bond CH. 1,4 addition means CH2Br, all involves CHBr, CHBr, CH2Br. Okay, tetrahalo compounds are formed. Here dihalo compounds are formed. Here also dihalo compounds are formed. This is called as halogenation. Then in continuation, we will see the hydrohalogenation. Hydrohalogenation. Hydrohalogenation means addition of HBr we called as addition of HBr and ClHI we called as hydrohalogenation. Okay, here also say CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH2, add HBr, C 1,4 addition. Here I am taking 1,2 addition. 1,4 addition means CH3, CH double bond CH, CH2Br. Is the hydrogen added here? Okay, bromine added here. So 1,4 addition. 1,2 addition means CH2H, CHBr, CH double bond CH2. This is okay. Here 2 bromo compound, that is 1 bromo compounds are formed. What is the IUPAC name of this molecule? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the 3 bromo 1 butene. 3 bromo 1 butene. It is 1 bromo 2 butene. 1 bromo 2 butene, 2 bromo 3 bromo 1 butenes are formed. This is called hydrohalogenation reaction. Okay, next in continuation we will see one more important reaction, Diels-Alder reaction. This is the important reaction, Diels-Alder reaction. Okay, this is called as green reaction. We called as green reaction. What is the Diels-Alder reaction? Okay, diene addition with dienophile. Diene addition with dienophile, and we get the here cycloalkenes. Cyclic compound is formed. So this reaction is called as cycloaddition reaction. Cycloaddition reaction. Okay, the compound which is formed in Diels-Alder reaction we called Diels-Alder adduct. And this is the addition reaction, that's why we call it green reaction. It is absorbed in the presence of sunlight or at 500 degrees centigrade temperature. Absorbed in the presence of sunlight or at 500 degrees centigrade temperature. What is the meaning of dienophile? The molecule which reacts with the diene, like to react with the diene, we call as dienophile. The molecule which like to react with the diene, we call as dienophile. Okay, see the reaction. First reaction, simple reaction. I am taking 1,3-butadiene in different format. Okay, this is the 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. Okay, visible. 1,3-butadiene addition with ethylene. This is ethylene. We call it dienophile. What happens here? This just in presence of sunlight. If you use the sunlight, this we call a photochemical reaction. Photochemical disorder reaction. If you use temperature 500 degrees centigrade temperature, we call thermal disorder reaction. Thermal disorder reaction. See, this pi electron transfer towards one of the alkyl, that means 1,3-butadiene carbon. Then this pi electron transfer towards next carbon of diene. Then pi electron transfer towards ET from the 1,3-butadiene. Finally, we get here. We'll get here this molecule. Here CH2, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH2. This is we called as cyclohexene. This is we called as cyclohexene. Cycloaddition reaction. Which type of cycloaddition reaction? Here I am explaining. First, diene contain 4 pi electrons. Here this contain 2 pi electrons. 4 pi, 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. 4 pi, 2 pi electron cycloaddition reaction. This is we called as disorder reaction, green reaction. This is one of the important reaction, photochemical reaction, photochemical or thermal disorder reaction. So many examples are there for the disorder reaction. It is addition with benzene, addition with naphthalene, addition with anthracene, addition with malic anhydride. All those molecules addition with here. Some more examples are there by replacing this one. Suppose I am giving dienophiles. You only replace CH2, CHCl, the dienophiles. I am giving only dienophile. You write the reaction. This is we called as vinyl chloride. CH2 double bond CHCOOH. This is we called as acrylic acid. Here CH2 double bond CHCl, acrylonitrile. On vinyl side. Replace this one. These 3. Replace this alkene by this. Different dienes and write the products. Write the products. This is about the alkenes. In continuation of this one, we have only one topic in organic chemistry. Aromatic hydrocarbons. We'll see in continuation. Thank you.